Hey, sexy wizards. Anastasia here. After saving our models in day 83, today we finally make them live for the entire planet. 8 real ways: Streamlit, FastAPI, Hugging Face, Cloud, Mobile.
Sophia's back and ready to ship Ethan's hot models to every phone on Earth. Deployment is the sexiest day. Everyone gets to touch your AI.
Hello, brilliant wizards. Irene speaking. Today is pure overview gold. Tomorrow, day 85, we actually build and launch a full multi-model web app together.
Yo wizards, Ethan dropping spicy deployment code while flirting with Anastasia, Sophia, and Olivia. Let's go global.
Olivia reporting for duty. I'll be Anastasia's sexy assistant asking the questions you're thinking.
Your friends don't want Jupyter. They want a link or an app. Deployment turns cool notebook into, wow, that's magic.
Exactly. It's like turning Ethan from a private crush into everyone's celebrity.
Professionally, this is how real products are built. Train once, serve millions.
Today we cover every single real option: Streamlit, free, FastAPI, Flask, Hugging Face Spaces, TensorFlow Serving, Docker plus Cloud, Mobile, and more. Tomorrow we pick one and launch together.
8 ways to go from zero to hero. By tonight you'll know exactly which one fits your vibe.
We'll compare speed, cost, and difficulty so you can choose confidently.
Your moderators: Anastasia, me, Sophia, and Irene. Ethan brings the spicy code. Olivia keeps us on track with perfect questions.
We're the deployment dream team, ready to make your AI famous.
Together we'll guide you through every option with warmth and clarity.
Welcome to the real world. These are the 8 platforms every AI engineer uses in 2025, from free to enterprise.
It's like a buffet. Pick what matches your appetite.
All of them work perfectly with the .h5 models you saved in day 83.
Streamlit is pure magic. Write app.py, click share, done. Free public link in 30 seconds. Perfect for day 85.
It's literally the fastest way to impress your friends. I deployed my first model in 2 minutes.
Community Cloud is free forever for public apps.
FastAPI is the new king. Async, autodocs, used by Netflix and Microsoft. Perfect when you outgrow Streamlit.
It's so fast it makes my heart race, just like Ethan.
Open API docs generated automatically. Clients love it.
Flask never dies. Simple, flexible, runs everywhere. The perfect teaching tool before FastAPI.
It's like the little black dress of web frameworks, always works.
Great for learning the full stack. Flask, Unicorn, Nginx.
Hugging Face Spaces. Wow, GitHub plus free GPU plus one-click deploy. The coolest community in AI.
I deployed my sentiment model there last week, 10 seconds.
3-tier includes GPU, perfect for big models.
Google's official production system, versioned models, rollback, gRPC plus REST, 1000 plus rec, sec.
It's what powers Google search. Now you can use it too.
Perfect when you need enterprise reliability.
AWS, GCP, Azure. Pay only for what you use. Autoscale to millions. Global CDN.
Free tiers are generous. You can run a real app for $0.
All support Docker and saved model format from day 83.
TensorFlow Lite converts your model to run on phones. No internet needed.
Imagine your sentiment model inside an Android app, instant.
File size drops from 100 megabytes to approximately 2 megabytes.
Demo or portfolio, Streamlit. Production API, FastAPI. Share with World, Hugging Face. Enterprise, TF Serving plus Cloud.
Follow this tree and you'll never pick wrong.
We'll use this exact flowchart tomorrow for day 85.
Tomorrow we combine sentiment, day 82, image classifier, day 80, and saved models, day 83, into one gorgeous web app.
3 models, 1 beautiful interface, the ultimate portfolio piece.
Everything loads instantly thanks to day 83 persistence.
Tonight, copy your best models from days 80-83 into a new folder called My AI App. Install Streamlit, TensorFlow, Pillow. Tomorrow we launch together.
Create the folder now. I'll show the exact structure.
We'll use Streamlit plus your saved .h5 files. 0 retraining.
Our first live demo. Take the sentiment model from day 82, click Share, public link in 30 seconds.
I deployed my cat classifier last night, 10 seconds.
Streamlit Community Cloud is free forever for public apps.
Look, one click and your app is public forever. This is exactly what we'll do tomorrow.
I love this button more than coffee, instant fame.
No server, no config, no credit card. Pure magic.
Push to get right pointing arrow hugging face builds and hosts for free. Even gives you a GPU.
I deployed my sentiment model there last week, 10 seconds.
Free tier includes GPU. Perfect for big models.
FastAPI is async. Auto generates Swagger docs. Netflix and Microsoft use it.
It's so fast it makes my heart race, just like Ethan.
Open API docs generated automatically. Clients love it.
Flask is the classic, simple, flexible, runs everywhere.
It's like the little black dress of web frameworks, always works.
Great for learning the full stack. Flask, Gunicorn, Nginx.
TensorFlow Serving is Google's production system, version models, rollback, 1000 plus rec, sec.
It's what powers Google search. Now you can use it too.
Perfect when you need enterprise reliability.
AWS, GCP, Azure, pay only for what you use, autoscale to millions, global CDN.
Free tiers are generous. You can run a real app for $0.
All support Docker and saved model format from day 83.
TensorFlow Lite converts your model to run on phones, no internet needed.
Imagine your sentiment model inside an Android app, instant.
File size drops from 100 MB to about 2 MB.
Demo or portfolio right pointing arrow Streamlit. Production API right pointing arrow FastAPI. Share with world right pointing arrow hugging face. Enterprise right pointing arrow TF serving plus cloud.
Follow this tree and you'll never pick wrong.
We'll use this exact flowchart tomorrow for day 85.
Never hardcode API keys. Use Streamlit secrets.
It's like a safe for your passwords, super secure.
Perfect for Hugging Face tokens, OpenAI keys, etc.
Our second demo tomorrow. One app with sentiment, image classification, and instant loading from day 83 saved models.
3 models, 1 beautiful interface, the ultimate portfolio piece.
Everything loads instantly thanks to day 83 persistence.
Create a public GitHub repo. Add app.py and your H5 models, or use Gitignore for large files.
I always make my repos public, instant portfolio.
Use .gitignore for models larger than 100 MB.
Always include a requirements.txt, Streamlit and Hugging Face needed.
Streamlit = 1.30.0, TensorFlow = 2.15.0, copy mine.
Pin versions to avoid surprises.
Go to share.streamlit.io right pointing arrow new app right pointing arrow connect your GitHub repo right pointing arrow deploy.
I do this every day, takes 30 seconds.
Your app is live forever for free.
Create a new space right pointing arrow choose Streamlit or Gradio right pointing arrow connect repo right pointing arrow done.
I love the free GPU option, perfect for big models.
Your app gets its own beautiful URL.
Never commit .h5 files to public GitHub. Add to gitignore. Use Streamlit secrets for API keys.
I learned the hard way. Keep your models private.
Rate limiting and authentication for production.
Streamlit and Hugging Face free tier. Ganshor dos. Do. FastAPI on render. Gastur $7 month. Cloud. Ganshor das. Pay per use.
HuggingFace.co is my favorite free GPU.
You can run a real app for literally $0.
Tonight, deploy your Day 82 sentiment model to Streamlit Cloud. Send us the link on Instagram with #DailyAIWizard.
I want to see 100 live links by tomorrow morning.
Use the exact code from day 83. It will work perfectly.
Show us your live deployments. Best ones get featured tomorrow on Day 85.
I'm checking Instagram right now. Tag us.
Join Discord if you get stuck. We're all here to help.
You now know every way to deploy. Support us at paypal.me/DailyAIWizard and get ready. Tomorrow, Day 85, we build and launch a full AI web app together.
Proud of you all. Share your links tonight. See you for the big launch.
Your AI is ready for the world, darlings. Let's go viral together on day 85.